warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Rozi. Today I would like to talk about one of the Malaysia agriculture industry, which is rubber industry, about the opportunities and challenges rubber industry in Malaysia. So we are going to challenges first. For the first challenges in rubber industry is opening farm or garden in Malaysia. Lack of the manpower, especially among the younger generation and foreign workers, to involve in the rubber industry. So, for my opinion, I have one solution about this issue. We have to create employment opportunities and give the younger generations exposure to awareness about advantage while working in the rubber industry. So that's it for me. My friends will be continue for the second challenges. Thank you.
My name is Afifa. I will talk about challenge in rubber industry. Rubber industry face low productivity as a challenge for the industry to grow and improve. The average yield measure used comprehensively by all rubber producing countries, including Malaysia, shows that the yield obtained for 1 hectare of planting area is 1,220 kg per year. Generally, the yield obtained by the estates is much more greater than the smallholders. This is because the estate is much more productive compared to the smallholders in terms of the ability of producing higher quality rubber seeds. This situation clearly shows that the lower yields of smallholders compared to the estate is due to several factors, such as low level of technology, where technology for the estate is much more higher due to the ability in advancing research and development to produce more high quality rubber trees and high yield, compared to the smallholders who only expect research and development from the government agencies alone to further improve the quality of their rubber trees. The size of the rubber plantation area of the smallholder is also a matter that causes the smallholder to be inactive in knowing the technological development to encourage higher production. Compared to the estate sector, they have larger rubber plantation area, so it causes them to give more attention to technological development to ensure more yields and quality to their rubber tree.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Zurakila binti Zakifli and my matrix number is F20A0618. Another challenge faced in rubber industry is lack knowledge of modern technology. In this modern age, the problem faced especially by rural farmers who are too satisfied with their old ways. Technologies aspects are very important for increasing the yield of rubber farming. Modern technology in rubber farming here can be seen in terms of the type of rubber tree seed breeding, technology in rubber seed cultivation, the use of rubber tapping machine, and also innovation in the manufacture of rubber-based goods. An important technology in the rubber plantation produced by MRB is the low-intensity tapping system technology. This LIT system is classified into two categories, which is using the F1 estimation and novel system. Simulation of low concentration effluents is used in the notching system once a week, and the novel system is used on rainflow and reordering. Through the use of this technology, the tapper is able to double the number of rubber trees per day compared to conventional methods. However, these innovations sometimes do not reach the rubber plantation operators, especially in remote villages, causing them to still use their own way, which is no longer efficient. In the technology of manufacturing rubber-based goods in Malaysia, innovation in this method is very lacking in Malaysia. This can be seen through the determination to the industry based on the latex dyeing, especially gloves. Ongoing efforts should be made to further diversity the manufactured goods so that we do not rely too much on the latex dyeing sector, which has made us the largest producer in the world for rubber glove, caterers, and the rubber threads. Achievements in this sector must be maintained to increase the demand for rubber in Malaysia as well as increase the price of rubber. Thank you.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atira binti Azmi, matrix number F20A0517. One of the challenges of rubber agricultural industry is global issues. Low product quality and non-uniformity make the country's rubber agricultural products unable to compete in the global market. With high prices in domestic market, the expecting dumping of agricultural products from abroad such as China, Indonesia, and Thailand, which is cheaper than our country's market prices. Therefore, the country's agricultural products will face high competition. Furthermore, the natural rubber market has gained competition between synthetic rubber, where the price of synthetic rubber is more cheaper than natural rubber. This has caused the price of natural rubber to be increasingly affected. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Asma Yumni binti Zulhamdi. My metric number is F20A0368. I would like to talk about one of the opportunities in rubber industry, which is in automotive sector. Automotive manufacturers rely heavily on the quality and performance of rubber materials. The high performance components demand high performance materials. With excellent resistance to high temperatures and tolerance of stressful conditions, rubber is the perfect material for sealing, damping, and protecting the automotive environment. Rubber used for applications such as seal, O-rings, oil filter gasket, and manifold gasket. Other than that, rubber to metal bonded components are used to isolate vibration, absorb shock, and support load while remaining highly durable and heat resistant. Next, the material for brakes requires special attention to withstand extreme temperatures as well as frictional heat from the braking process. Hoses, cups, and boots all demand both silicone rubber and rubber. This is only a few examples of car components that made from rubber. This shows that rubber is one of the most material used in automotive sector. The demand for rubber in automotive sector can lead our rubber industry in Malaysia to increase their productivity. That's all.
Hi, my name is Wanur Hanisa binti Wan Zulkifli. My matrix number is F20A0643, and I will talk about the second opportunities, which is can help in produce more medical equipment and devices. Nowadays, we are bombarded with news regarding the COVID-19 that has been officially said to be a pandemic, and it is likely that glove manufacturers are fetching a better price for their gloves owing to the rising demand locally and globally. Over the long term, it would definitely be prudent to be less dependent on latex import from other countries such as Thailand. Alternatively, Thailand also may increase their selling price knowing that gloves manufacturers in Malaysia are depending on its latex. Hence, it would be wise to ensure that all the latex required by glove manufacturers is produced within the country. Besides, the awareness of the risk of HIV or AIDS, SARS, has also raised the demand for medical rubber gloves. This can make our rubber industry to increase the production of medical rubber gloves in Malaysia. Other than that, Rubber also used for surgical tools such as catheter. Catheter is a device that can be inserted in the body to treat diseases or perform a surgical procedure. Surgical tools can only be used once and cannot be shared with other people. From this, there also will be more demands for surgical tools to perform a surgery or to treat those diseases. With these opportunities, our rubber industry in Malaysia can increase their productivities to supply more in locally and globally. That's all from us. Thank you.